Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today in this video, I am gonna tell you about Sony Xperia 1 3. In this video, I am gonna also tell you the retail price of Sony Xperia 1 3 in this and upcoming price of Sony Xperia 1 and also expected price of Sony Xperia and the official warranty given by the company, yes or not. Before starting the video, if you are new on my channel, subscribe to my channel, press the bell icon for the further notification of my video. So let's get started the video. Now here we have gonna tell you about the detailed specification of Sony Xperia 1 3. Here we have built-in quantity of OS Android 11 OS dimension 165 into 71 into 8.2 mm, weight 186 gram, SIM hybrid dual SIM, dual standby nano SIM, color forested black, forested grey, forested purple. Here we have in frequency 2G band SIM1 GSM 850 900 1800 1900, SIM2 GSM 850 900 1800 1900, 3G band HSDPA 800 850 900 1700 1900 2100, and also 4G and 5G band. Here we have in processor CPU octa-core 1 into 2.84 GHz plus 3 into 2.42 GHz plus 4 into 1.80 GHz. Chipset Qualcomm SM8350 Snapdragon 888 5G 5 nanometer. GPU Adreno 660. Here we have in display of technology OLED capacitive touch screen, 1 bicolor multi-touch, size 6.5 inches, resolution 1644 into 3840 pixel, 643 ppi. Protection Corning Gorilla Glass with test. Extra features 120 Hz HDR-BT 2020. Here we have in memory built-in 256 by 512 GB, built-in 12 GB RAM, UFC 3.x card, micro SD XC, use shared SIM slot. Here we have in camera, main quad camera, 12 megapixel plus 12 megapixel plus 12 megapixel, dual flex pixel, and also LED flash. Features: Graphics optics, Graphics T-lens coating, LED flash panorama video, front 8 megapixel. Here we have in connectivity WLAN Wi-Fi 8.0, 802.11, Wi-Fi direct, DLNA hotspot, Bluetooth V 5.2 with A2DP APTX SD, GPS yes plus dual band, a GPS with GLONASS PDS Clio, USB Type C 3.1 USB on the go, video output, NFC data GPRS at 3G, 4G and 5G also capable. Here we have in features sensor, diameter, color spectrum, compass, fingerprint, gyro, proximity, audio 3.5 mm audio jack, dynamic vibration system, speakerphone, browser, HTML5, messaging, SMS, MMS, email, pushmail, IM, games, built-in plus downloadable, torch, yes, extra, document viewer, active noise cancellation with dedicated mic, photo by video editor. Here we have in battery of capacity, LiPo non-removable, 4500 mAh fast charging 34, 50% in 30 minutes fast wireless charging, reverse wireless charging, USB power display. Here we have in price will be coming soon, so I hope you can like this video, subscribe to my channel, and thanks for watching.